即马全球暖化和极端气候正做常态，为欧洲的法国甲西班牙、亚洲的菲律宾、台湾，也佮有美国的非洲等等的所在，拢出现落大水雨的情形。都有气候专家表示，遮侪社区当面临做大水的灾情，而且各国嘛拢当咧想办法，要安怎来应应。
为菲律宾、台湾高雄到西班牙怪兽级的大雨量夺走人命、破坏设施，造成真大经济损失。这一切拢甲气候变迁造成的地球暖化有真大关系。
This particular environment that we're seeing under human-caused climate change is producing an environment that makes extreme events more likely to occur in conjunction with these baseline atmospheric patterns that we're used to seeing on a day-to-day basis.
根据世界气候规划组织的研究，过去20年气候变迁互相地面天气灾害规模更加严重，各地数超过57万人死亡，包含孟加拉2007年西德气旋造成4000人罹难，缅甸的纳吉斯气旋夺走13万人的性命。情形一年比一年恶化，西班牙东部甲南部最近落大水雨，8点钟内摄取雨量超过全年总额。瓦伦西亚地区一片绿苍苍。法国国家气象局的数据是显示，2024年平均落雨量比去年加出将近30%。极端落雨不过是特定单一事件，是咱常常平常时都会拄到。
You can take a previous event that happened in a former climate and make it more likely or more dramatic than it might have been without human-caused climate change and human-caused warming.
大规模暴雨发生的地点拢带来严重灾情，伫都会区更较可能造成市政停落，经济损失惨重。所以愈来愈侪国家开始修正都市规划方向，包含优化气候模型、提悬预测甲警报精准度，更加强水资源管理，增加都市海绵化的能量，避免大规模急降雨造成排水系统未振动的结果。
Well, the problem with our cities today in France, but also elsewhere, is that they've become impermeable, so they're not resilient anymore, and they can't manage heavy rainfall like we're seeing today. And they find themselves flooded. So urban planners are indeed trying to prevent our cities from drowning, literally. Now, the solution, of course, is to try to make those cities a little bit more observant, more spongier, as they say, and to really restore the natural cycle of waters.
海绵都市最快是将都市基础设施结合水资源管理概念，比如增加绿地、改良排水、减少点仔角路、改用渗透度更较悬的建材、公共设施做多用途设计，落雨时阵用者做储水池等。这都是定用化石燃料过渡时期，大家爱想办法对抗恶化的气候变迁，将提悬生存几率，加降低灾损。公司新闻张淑芬编译。